Hi, I'm Joe from WHR Marketing, and this is our Semrush Keyword Analytics review. This is the second Semrush review of our YouTube series, so check it out. Okay, so on the first video, we focused on patch plants, so we were just pretending we were a plant company. Okay, so I'm going to continue with that in this series, just using examples. So keyword analytics, so the overview. So if I wanted to search for a keyword such as indoor plants, okay, just type in indoor plants, click search. As we can see here, there's a lot of search volume, 90,000 searches per month in the US. The keyword difficulty is really hard. Okay, I always say when you're starting out, aim for anything below 60. Okay, so you want to, that will give you the easy to possible range. Okay, so what do we do now that we've typed in indoor plants and we're a plant company? Okay, and we know this is going to be too hard to rank for, so we go down here. Okay, and there's going to be keyword variations, questions and related words. So click view all keyword variations. Alright, and the first thing I'm going to do, go to the advanced filter, keyword difficulty, anything from something or nothing, sorry, to 59, and the CPC I want $1 upwards. Okay, that's the only two filters I need to use at the moment. Let's see what content we can build based on the keywords. Here we go. Right, lots of good information here. So this indoor plant care service near me, indoor plant consultant, indoor plant service San Diego. This could be changed to indoor plant service London, wherever, Washington, wherever you are based. Okay, if you make it specific to location, you're going to have less competition, much easier to rank for. Okay, so we can, it's up to us, we can sort by keyword difficulty. Okay, we've got lots of words, we've got 231 words that we can be working with. So we've got some NAs there, so maybe it's best the other way around for this one. We'll work downwards. So if I go to around here, okay, indoor plant rental, again, look, that's a location based one, it will be relevant to wherever you're located. Cost per clicks, they're all above 1. We can work on beautiful plants to grow indoors. That's a brilliant piece of content we can base it on. Really low competition. Let's look for some questions. 35 keywords. Can I grow tomato plants indoors? Okay. Do indoor plants need sunlight? Really low competitive keywords where you can base so much content around. Okay, inform your audience or your soon to be new audience. Okay, and then lead them in to the plants you have on offer. Okay, so many ideas around that. So once you've found either a question or a keyword phrase, depends, a combination, okay, start making notes, export those keywords, and like I said, focus on building high quality content around those keywords. Okay, so that's the keyword magic tool. Right, keyword manager. Okay, I'm just gonna focus on, we were looking at, what was we looking at? Wedding plannings for one of our clients. So this was a piece of content. I'll just go into it. Okay, so this is basically where you store all of your keywords from the magic tool. Okay, once you just add them, you can create a new list and they'll all be in here, or you could have exported them to Excel anyway. If we go add history, this is really good. So this will come up with all the ads where people have made ads based on the keyword indoor plants. So you can see Bloomscape would be a good rival if we click their website, because they had ads in July, August, all of these months apart from January and February. Okay, so that I'm assuming is a plant company. Yep. So you got your shop all easy indoor plants. Okay, so you can see one of your competitors that way as well. Okay, so that is all for our Semrush keyword analytics review today. Like I said before, if you prefer reading the Semrush review in writing rather than videos, I'll leave our article in the link below. We've got a lot of discount for our Semrush program, so I'll put the promo code in the link below too, so you can get Semrush for a much better price. Like we said before, we're an SEO agency, so for a limited time only, we'll give you a free online business report to help you get more customers, clients and sales. Just type your name, your email, your website. So I'll personally do that, so I'll manually go through your website, and we'll also use an automated tool too, so it'll be both me and an automated tool, and we'll basically tell you everything you need to know to rank higher on Google, improve your online business. Okay, please subscribe to the channel and please like the video. What I want to know in the comments is, what is your favorite keyword tool that you've used before? I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.